are doing well and safe because of coronavirus. So today vlog is soundbar. Actually I bought LG soundbar, so here you look. The price is not so expensive, not too much high, it's affordable, and the main thing is that what mostly attract me because they have a surround ray and wireless, and in 200, I mean it's very nice, and the woofer volt is at 300 volt, you know, so it's gonna be more good sound and boom 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 because I love that. So it's less expensive for me, but internet you can find more or less than there's lot of brand, and a lot of variety. The company by LG inside this box. Thus they gave the cable and provide all information, so let's check it out. Okay, now I'm going to open this. Okay, now I'm opening this. Let's see, it's a bit hard. So here is a menu and with the battery and adapter and remote. So I'm gonna open that. Let's check it out. Okay, a beautiful tiny remote. Oh my gosh, it's my first time actually. Adapter and other adapter to connect with the soundbar. And let's see, I don't know what is it. Okay, that is a holder to put in the wall, so I don't hate it because I'm gonna I'm gonna put it on table. And the second, yeah, there is some nuts. Let's check it out. What is it inside? I'm gonna show you. Okay, I think so. That is this boat. Okay, well, I will check and I'll read the manual where I'm gonna put this two little tiny sports. Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay. Let me open that. Oh my god. Wow, looks nice. Woofer? I love woofer actually. And I love this design because it's totally unique, not like a other. So it's totally covered, so no risk. No, that's actually gone inside. Okay, I'm gonna put it here. Okay, let's open. Okay, yeah. Here. And I have to slide it. Okay, wow, I'm so excited to see. Wow. This is very nice. I love that model because LG gives something new always, not like a boring sensor and like a other stuff or like other brand. I love that. So I'm gonna connect now to my TV, then I will show you. HDMI option. They just have a aux cable, I think so, yeah. Optical, yeah, and that USB, and I think so. I fix it now, and you can see how it looks like. It's look beautiful because it's totally black. And I want to show you something interesting. Little tiny buttons here as manually if you don't have remote, so you can use by hand. I really like it, but two things I don't like, the two option actually. That was the cinema and ASC. I don't know what does it mean, but the ASC is too much sharp, and the cinema was okay. But if you watch the movie, I think so it's gonna be more great sound because normally it was in music. So if you're listening to music and if you really want a good bass, the LG have a really good bass with a special woofer. All after all, I like that brand, and LG was the oldest brand, and yeah, it's older brand, so I love it, and it's not much expensive at 200 euros. I really recommend to everyone because I saw that reviews. That's after that I bought it, so I really loved it, and I hope you guys like my video, and please give that thumbs up and subscribe FM Europe, and please recommend to other, and stay safe at home, and yeah, thank you, bye bye, see you guys next time, my other vlog, ciao ciao.